Hello and welcome to this video. Solve the pair of simultaneous equations x squared plus 3y equals 10 and 3 plus y equals 10 over x. This was taken from the UKMT Hamilton Olympiad 2017. If you would like to give it a go, make sure to pause the video now. Okay, now we're going to go through it. So first of all, let's number these 1 and 2. So to get equation 2 in a better format, we should multiply both sides by x, as we have 10 over x on the rightmost side. So doing this will give us 3x plus xy equals 10. Now we can subtract 2 from 1, and this gives us x squared plus 3y minus 3x minus xy equals 0, because on the right we had 10 and 10 in both equations, so that gave us 0. And this can actually be factorized to x minus 3 x minus y equals 0. So therefore, we now have two possible values for x. These are 3 and y, as when we substitute 3 as x, we get 0 because 3 minus 3 equals 0 and 0 times anything is 0, and the same for y. So now, to find the corresponding y values, we can substitute x equals 3 into equation 1. This will give us 9 plus 3y equals 10, which gives us y equals 1 over 3. And now, substituting x equals y into equation 1, we get y squared plus 3y equals 10. Taking away 10 from both sides gives us y squared plus 3y minus 10 equals 0, and this can be factorized to y minus 2, y plus 5 equals 0. So here we can see that we have three values for y: 1 over 3, 2, and minus 5. Okay, so we need to find the corresponding x values for these, and we can substitute this into equation 2, as if we did it into equation 1, we would have had x squared, and then we wouldn't know if it's a positive or negative value, because x squared will give positive even if x is negative. So we substitute into equation 2. So when y equals 2, x equals 2, because 3 plus 2 is 5, and then 10 divided by 5 is 2. When y equals minus 5, x equals minus 5, as 10 divided by minus 2 equals minus 5. And finally, when y equals 1 over 3, x equals 3, and we knew this from before. So there we go, we have three solutions: 2, 2, minus 5, and 1, and 3, 1 over 3. Sorry for the typo. Okay, thanks for watching. Goodbye for now, and see you guys next time.